Welcome to Professor's Garage. The RX 350 is due for an oil change. It takes 5.8 quarts of 0W20 oil, Toyota oil filter cartridge with O-rings, and a drain plug gasket. You need a ratchet wrench with a 14mm socket, Toyota oil filter wrench, and a torque wrench. First, raise the car. Make sure the parking brake is engaged. Chock the wheels. Release the hood. The hood struts went bad after 60,000 miles, so I put a couple of vice grips to hold them in place so the hood does not collapse on me. If the engine is cold, run it for 5 minutes to warm up the oil. It also helps to pull up the oil dipstick and open the oil cap to help the oil flow. Double check the support is safe before go under the car. Place a catch pan under the car. Find the oil pan on the passenger side. The drain plug is rear facing. Remove the drain plug with the 14mm socket. Be patient, let the oil drain. Remove the old gasket. And replace with the new one. Double check and remove any remnant on the drain pan. Reinstall the drain plug. And torque it to 30 foot-pound. Find the oil filter next to the drain pan. Remove the cap with the 3/8 extension. You can use the plastic pipe to drain the oil from the filter first, but this is optional. Use the Toyota oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter. You can use the 3/8 extension directly with the wrench, or in my case, you can see that I also use a 27mm socket in addition to the wrench. Either way, it should work. Remove the oil filter cartridge and use a pick to remove the big O-ring. Use engine oil to lubricate the O-rings before you install them. Insert the filter cartridge. Because the oil filter goes in an upright position, I prime it with engine oil. Torque the oil filter to 18 foot-pounds or hand tight. Add 5 to 5.5 quarts of engine oil. Start the engine and check leaks around the drain plug and the oil filter areas. Remove the chocks, lower the car, and stop the engine. Check the oil dipstick and add more oil if necessary. Oil level between the two dots. It's good. Reset the oil maintenance minder. It's all done. I hope this video is helpful and informative. Until the next time, may the Lord bless you and give you peace. 平安。